Sometimes little alterations in plants might indicate a more serious issue. This syndrome is frequently associated with physiological disorders in research. Plants with this problem may exhibit symptoms like, as the name implies, leaf deformation is one of the disease's hallmarks. The lower leaves are the first to exhibit leaf curling. The leaves curl vertically, first upward and then inward. When cultivation elements and environmental circumstances are changed to lessen the plant's stress from outside sources, the leaves often recover. Infected plants may have lighter, stunted leaves with yellow margins and pale purple veins on the underside. Several things can contribute to this, including physiological abnormalities leading to leaf curl disease arise owing to stress from the external environment. Leaf deformation is mostly caused by high humidity and excess nitrogen. Other causes include hot, dry climatic conditions, heavy trimming, damaged roots, and shock from grafting. This disease's leaf curl symptoms can be mistaken for those of viral illnesses like yellow leaf curl virus (YLCV), which is transmitted by whiteflies and causes young leaves to distort into a cup shape. You might start by attempting natural remedies such as, "This physiological condition has no biological remedies. It is only possible to take preemptive." In more severe cases, therapies might include, in every situation, take into account the possibilities of using biological and preventative remedies to the greatest extent feasible. Preventive actions are the only way to address this physiological problem. To assist in shielding plants against this problem, plant bush tomato cultivars on soil that drains well. Maintain a suitable and uniform soil moisture level. Don't fertilize too much, especially with nitrogen. Give enough phosphorus. Steer clear of over-pruning. By providing shade or allowing for evaporation, you can keep the temperature in your tomato garden below 35 degrees Celsius. In general, keep in mind that leaves get distorted and discolored. The leaves became brittle and dry. To learn more about plant care, subscribe to the channel.